बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अल्लाहुम्मा सल्ली अला मुहम्मद व आले मुहम्मद वअज्जल फरज आले मुहम्मद. Last time we have studied electrolytic reactions. Today we are studying some more examples of electrolytic reactions. Examples of electrolytic reactions. Conjugated electrolytic reactions are conjugated interconversion of conjugated polyene into the cycloalkene with the loss of pi bond and formation of a double bond, or conversion of cycloalkene into the conjugated polyene with the formation of pi bond and loss of sigma bond, like this. This is cyclobutene. It has 2 pi electrons. It has 2 pi electrons, and in this molecule, this is the butadiene 2,3-butadiene. In this molecule there are 2 double bonds and 4 pi electrons. N is equal to 4 pi electrons. When 1 pi bond yani 2 electrons are lost, n minus 2 pi electrons and sigma bond is formed. This is cyclobutene is formed. When a cyclobutene loses 1 sigma bond and with the formation of pi bond, then it is converted into the butadiene. So this is the electrolytic reaction. Similarly, this is another example. This is 2,3-cyclo hexadiene. It is converted into the 1,3,5-hexatriene. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is the 6 carbon. So it is converted into the 1,3,5 hexatriene. There are 3 double bonds. So n pi electron, n is equal to 6. Total 2 electrons. This is 2, 4, and this is 1 pi bond consists of 2 pi electrons. So these are 6. N is equal to 6. In this molecule, n minus 2 is the pi electron plus 1 sigma bond. This sigma bond is lost and 1 pi bond is added. So this will become n pi electrons. N is equal to 6. So 2,3-cyclohexadiene is converted into the 1,3,5-hexatriene. It is electrolytic reaction. Types of electrolytic reaction we have already studied. There are 2 types of electrolytic reaction. Ring closing electrolytic reactions, in which ring is closed, pi bond is lost and sigma bond is formed, like this. This pi bond will transfer here and this will transfer there and this will there. So one is the sigma bond. Similarly, this sigma bond when transfer there, so this will be converted into the this is 1,3,5-hexatriene. This pi bond will shift between 1 and 6 carbon. This is 1 carbon and this is 6 carbon. This will converted between 2 and 3, and 3 and 4 will be converted between 3 and 5 carbon. So 1 pi bond is lost, or this will give the 1,3-cyclohexadiene. So intermolecular reaction, it is the intermolecular. Within the same molecule, rearrangement of electrons occurs. It is the intermolecular. No rearrangement of atom occurs. Only rearrangement of electrons occurs. So intermolecular reaction, which involves the conversion of open chain conjugated polyene into the cycloalkene with loss of 1 pi bond and formation of 1 sigma bond. This is called a ring closing reaction. Electrolytic reaction. Ring opening electrolytic reaction. This is cyclobutene. It is converted into 1,3-butadiene. This double bond will shift between this carbon and this carbon. So we will get 1,3-butadiene. So 1 sigma bond is lost and pi bond is formed. So this is the ring opening reaction. So intermolecular reaction, which involves conversion of cycloalkene, this is the cycloalkene, into the conjugated polyene. This is the conjugated polyene, alternate double and single bond, with loss of 1 sigma bond and formation of 1 pi bond. Loss of sigma bond, this sigma bond will be lost and pi bond will be formed. This is the new pi bond. तो दिस इज कॉल्ड द रिंग opening reaction. Thermal cyclization. In thermal cyclization process, configuration of the product remains same as the reactant. Like this is cyclization, configuration remains same as the reactant. Like this is 2,4,6 octatriene. 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8 carbon. But on 2 carbon and 4 and 5, 6 carbon are double bonds. So 2, 4, 6 octatriene. When it is heated, it is converted into the cis 5,6 dimethyl 3 cyclohexadiene. This bond will shift between 3 and 4. 4 and 5 will shift between 5 and 6. And 6 and 7 bond will shift between 2 and 7 carbon. So this will ring closing occur, but configuration remain the same. This is the cis carbon, this is cis on same side. Product is formed has the same configuration as the reactant. Configuration remains the same. Similarly, this is another example, 2,4-hexadiene. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 कार्बन. ये 6 कार्बन है, ये वाला 6 कार्बन. तो ये मिथाइल ग्रुप है. तो 2 पे डबल बॉन्ड है, फिर 4 पे डबल बॉन्ड है, और तो ये आप कहेंगे इसे 2,4-hexadiene. तो when it is heated, it is converted. This bond will shift between this carbon and it is converted into the, this is shifted here 3,4 dimethyl. अब 3 पे और 4 पे डाईमिथाइल है, कहीं से भी नंबरिंग कर लें. 3, 4 डाईमिथाइल, यहाँ पे 1, ये 2 कार्बन, ये 3 कार्बन, ये 4. तो 3, एक 3 पे है मिथाइल, तो 3, 4 डाईमिथाइल साइक्लोब्यूटीन. 4 कार्बन है रिंग के अंदर, साइक्लोब्यूटीन. तो इसमें आप देखें तो इसकी भी कन्फिग्रेशन सिज है. इट इज सिज कंपाउंड. दिस इज सिज कन्फिग्रेशन और दिस इज आल्सो सिज. ये लिखा हुआ है सिज 3,4, ये इसका नेम बनेगा, सिज है ये 3,4 CIS, सिज 3,4 dimethyl cyclobutene. So configuration remains same in thermal, but when we study the photochemical reaction, then configuration will be changed opposite to the thermal cyclization process. So these are some thermal cyclization processes. So this is the electrolytic reactions, which are ring opening electrolytic reaction and ring closing electrolytic reaction, and then these are the thermal cyclization reactions. थैंक यू. अल्लाह हाफिज़. अल्लाहुम्मा सल्ली अला मुहम्मद व आले मुहम्मद व अज्जिल फ़रज आले मुहम्मद. तो इसमें आपने ये लास्ट पे मैंने फ़िक्रा लिख भी दिया है कि साइक्लाइजेशन ड्यूरिंग द साइक्लाइजेशन, थर्मल साइक्लाइजेशन, कन्फिग्रेशन रिमेन्स द सेम. ड्यूरिंग थर्मल साइक्लाइजेशन कन्फिग्रेशन रिमेन्स सेम. थर्मल साइक्लाइजेशन में, ये फोटोकेमिकल और थर्मल साइक्लाइजेशन में एक डिफरेंस है कि उसमें कन्फिग्रेशन चेंज हो जाती है, वो हम बाद में पढ़ेंगे. थैंक यू. अल्लाह हाफिज़. अल्लाहुम्मा सल्ली अला मुहम्मद व आले मुहम्मद व अज्जिल फ़रज आले मुहम्मद.